Right now, real estate sentiment is showing a noteworthy spike at plus 0.14, with momentum up plus 0.31 over the last 24 hours. This is particularly striking when you consider that this sentiment increase is accompanied by 19 semantic clusters, indicating a diverse range of discussions surrounding real estate. What does this mean for you? Our API returns this sentiment data in real time, allowing you to gauge public perception and market trends effectively. You could use this data to enhance your property listings by aligning them with current sentiment trends, making your offerings more appealing to potential buyers. To dive deeper into how you can leverage this data, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's make sense of the real estate landscape together.